Ladies and gentlemen, my friends, we're back here coming from the 𝗙𝗫𝗄 show. As I promised, we do these token analysis after every 𝗙𝗫𝗄 show. We're trying to experiment here, and we obviously want to bring much more life back to the channel. We have trading education coming. We've got maybe a course coming on here completely for free. And I want to bring these token analysis as well so we can know how everything is going. What's happening, guys? Some of you are coming over from the 𝗙𝗫𝗄 show. Some of you are probably new. Meta Taco, what's happening? What's happening? I'm here, Stacy. See you again, Stacy. Nice. Fred, what's happening? What's happening? I see Lloyd. I'm here. Show me the TA Fefe. Thanks in advance. You're very welcome. Near Arrow. Olaf is just coming at it. We're gonna look at it. What's up, Thirsty? What's happening? Why FTM so lazy this round? Yeah, I know. It's I don't know. It's kind of bugging. It's kind of bugging. GM Fefe, can you please go over his trading bot that you set up and was letting run? How was it worked for you? And can you explain the little? Oh yeah, I didn't do it yet. Great bot. I didn't do it yet. I am going to do. But guys, if you have been on my Banter Live, you know that Ren is actually number 4 in the position in the competition, and I need to overtake him. And I also said that I'm going to take a short position if we see a close below here. And we do have a market structure shift. And I went on to the token unlocks, and I do see 𝗙𝗏 and 𝗠𝗲 having an unlock coming this week. 𝗠𝗲 is not that substantial, but 𝗙𝗏 is unlocked 79% now in the next 7 days. So I thought I'm going to take a short on both 𝗙𝗏 and 𝗠𝗲. Now, these are scalps. I do not recommend you follow. I definitely don't recommend you follow. A couple of reasons. One, it does have liquidity built up on top. Rather look at 𝗠𝗲 now. But also because I take it only to kind of crash Ren. So that's basically the only purpose, is that I want to be on top. And it's a 3% stop loss. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to go on to 𝗠𝗲. We're also going to short MOG. 𝗠𝗲. Actually, let's short MOG first. So these are scalp trades. So I'm going to go 10x leverage. MOG is probably about 2.5%, so I will lose 20% of the position. I'll do this, and I will get in. This is it. Let me go 𝗠𝗲. Because of the 5-minute market structure shift, I am shorting. So I can short a little bit more on, let's do 15x on 𝗠𝗲. 3% 15x. Let's go. So I opened these short positions on here because, again, very important, because I want to be number 1 in the competition. And I do think this is a great opportunity. We do have a market structure shift on the total. We do take liquidity from here on the 5-minute. Now we just need to see the 15-minute. The 15-minute will be down here at 2.35 trillion. London has liquidated Asia, so that's a very good sign, and show the 5-minute market structure shift, which is a very, very good sign. Usually what we see in these levels is that we see a massive dump, maybe 1 or 2%, but that can spook the market, bring 2% down here on these trades, and 2% on 15x leverage can bring me 30% on the account, which would be enough for me to overtake Ren here on position number 4. So we had to see that, but this is the thinking behind. I would never do this with my main account. I think it's risky. You should not do it. But this is what I am doing. All right, let's jump into it though, because we've got stuff to do. We've got stuff to do. We're gonna look at tokens as well. And this is a close. This is also a close. This should. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, so if we come back here, we add to the short positions. It's good. And maybe we're gonna look at a 𝗙𝗏 short as well. Let me look at the 𝗙𝗏 short before I do anything, and then I'm gonna bring you all the token analysis that you guys want as well. So the only problem is that it has a lot of liquidity built up. So I'm not like 𝗙𝗏 can. Let's put up a small position because of the unlock and because I think the market is going to fall. Let's put a small position, although it's like very down in the bottom. But let's do that. Let's put up a small, tiny position. Why is it 50x leverage? Let's do 10x leverage, and let's do a small, tiny position here. On 𝗙𝗏, I do think it's going to fall, but it has a possibility of going up based on liquidity concepts. So like I would not be surprised if it goes up. If it goes down though, like it falls flat, it goes 5, 6, 7%, which could be cool. My margin here is 1500 on 𝗙𝗏, so pulling 30% could give me about 10% on the main account, which would be great. So this is how we're standing. Let me look at the chat, what you guys want, what's happening. Hey, yeah, looking forward to your analysis. Christian, thank you so much. What do you think wild goat coin, flipping Bitcoin? Holy shit, are you serious? The free mentorship program looks insane, bro. Let's talk about the free mentorship program. So whoever is living under a rock, and do not follow me on X, you should. But there is this thing, Cuz, please put this in the description. So on my X account, it's literally pinned though. So you will find the link to my X account down in the description, and it's pinned on the very top. But basically what this is that I'm gonna pick 10 people, 15 people and mentor them personally for free in a show on Banter for the next 8 weeks or whatever that is. So if you want to do that, there is a form here that you need to fill in. Make sure to do that. And then I'm looking forward. I'm going to close it very, very soon. So you need to fill it if you want, and you need to fill it in the next few hours. But this is what I would be looking at. Now, what should we analyze? Let's jump. We need to make these streams a little bit like rolling. So just let me know what you guys want me to analyze, and I'm just gonna jump in here. Fefe, again, nice to be here in 100 Club. Hampton, it's nice for me as well. I'm very happy. Good to have you back on 100 Club. Yes, thank you. A long absence this morning with Forex. Am I in profit now? Do you think I should sell and wait for election pump? Tough to say. Like, I have my 3 to 5x leverage longs on my main account. I'm not closing them. I close them partially. Close it partially and just wait. Just feel it great. What do you think on Cast this bull run? Massive. Absolute legend. Love your shows. Thank you so much. 𝗕𝗓𝗄. Is that 𝗕𝗓𝗄? 𝗕𝗓𝗄 in the house. 𝗕𝗓𝗄 in the house. This guy is an absolute beast, fucking legend. We had a lot of time. I have a story with 𝗕𝗓𝗄. We were together in Singapore, and not me, but 𝗕𝗓𝗄 was completely wasted drunk, and we were walking in like 6 a.m. in a shopping mall that hosted a club. It's called Marquee, and we were walking like didn't know what this really happening. And in the shopping mall, they had food, like food court at 6 a.m. and 5 a.m. And we had so much food there. It was good. We ordered like everything. It was such a cool experience. Shout out to 𝗕𝗓𝗄. I've already filled out the application. Nice. Tectum. Is that still existing? Here is better than on Banter. I don't know. Maybe just the name of the channel. I don't know. Richard Lionheart, I'm happy you're here. Hey, could we have an Anchor tier? Yes. Massive on Casper? Yes. Where do you see it compared with one other? It really depends. Casper has a massive cult, so I really, yeah. Missed you, Monkey Face. So nice seeing you here, Monkey Face. So nice seeing you here. The best meal I had. Right here, I'm telling you, at 5 a.m. after Marquee, completely wasted, sitting in the mall, just eating fucking noodles and I don't know what else. It was crazy. Okay, let's go. Change the game for me for real. I'm so happy I did. I'm so happy. GM, Tender Parrot. Okay, let's go. Guys, let's go. Analysis. Shield me your coins. Thank you, Jay. Thank you. Appreciate you. Hello, Hassan. Hello. What's happening? What should we else? Is your skin glowing? Of course it is. I'm a vampire. You think I'm joking? Fuck around and find out. I'm just joking. I'm not joking. By the way, greeting from France. GM. STX. Please, you forgot on the last show. Yes. Love your life, Fefe. Thank you. Love your life as well. Big stapu. Okay, STX, let's go. Oh, beautiful. This is also a beautiful short. Holy shit, this could be such a good short. Oh my god, I have to short STX as well. This is zero or hero. We're gonna cut a clip out of this, and I'm gonna send it to Ren. And I'm gonna be like, Ren, this is for you, brother. 3%. Ah, it's a lot, bro. No problem. I'm gonna get wrecked, or I'm gonna be a hero. It's a zero or hero play, bro. Zero or hero. So it looks stacks does not look good on the short term. Look, retrace to a very, very important 4-hour will be up here. And it's showing strength of rejection. We see massive liquidity built up here on top. This is not the sign of strength. It's a sign of weakness. It's a sign of market makers playing here. I would not be surprised to see a 5% dump on STX. 5-6%. It's not worth shorting. The reason why I'm shorting is because I'm in a competition and I want to beat Ren. That's literally the only goal. So that's it. No, don't do it. I'm genuinely mean it. Non-financial advice, and please don't follow these trades. This is gambling. I really rather want to help you how to layer in. Foreign Freedom would love to be part of the process, but we'll learn from you either way. Yes. We'll bring it. Do you have tattoo on your head? Is your head tattooed? Like, do you really have like a tattoo on your head? That looks fucking dope, bro. Okay, let's go. 𝗙𝗲𝗊, let's do 𝗙𝗲𝗊. The problem is it's a massive market cap, right? So like I've been expecting 𝗙𝗲𝗊 to come down here. It did. And then it can't break above. So like we need some signs here, okay? We need some signs from God that this thing can start reversing. High would be about 13.8 cents, and if we break above 13.8, this is the level where I will start layering into 𝗙𝗲𝗊. Not until then. Don't follow the trades. This is total degen. Yes, I agree. Forcing us to gamble. Yes, and then I will force you to take gummies. Gambling the house on this short. Yeah. How high you see 𝗙𝗲𝗊 going? It's difficult to say. It can double. I don't think it has a very, very high market cap, but I think it can double. So I'm looking at, it can double. I do think it can double. STG, what is STG? Nothing. I think nothing of it. Brett's, let's look at Brett's. How are my trades doing? Okay. Not bad. I think the flush is going to be quick. You really need to be on point to catch it. Now, this is good. Like, usually on the lower time frame, I don't like this. I don't like this because this indicates a massive drop. Can it happen? 25%. If Kamala wins, this can happen. Otherwise, it's a beautiful retrace. Like, there is no reason to believe there is anything wrong here. You've got the point of interest is pushing higher. If we take above this level, if you take 10 cents and wait for a 50 pullback, you can literally lay it in here. This is, I believe, a great opportunity. Soul Sec, I don't know what that is. Thorchain, Rune. Can you put it on the 5-minute, please? Rune, this did not take liquidity. This did not take liquidity, which I thought it was gonna do, but it didn't, which I'm not happy about. I don't like this. I don't like the look of these tokens. So this is always trouble. Like, maybe it's not gonna, yeah, it's probably not gonna dump 20%. So I would just wait for the breaker to come back to the breaker, which is around here, this high here. If it comes back to that region, I would be interested in taking along. That will probably line up very nicely with the 50% region as well. Yeah, so around down here, 5.5, 5.4-ish region, it would be the one that I would be interested in taking along position. Anchor. Took liquidity, beautiful. Now we just need to see a recovery. 2.8 cents, 0.028 is the level that you want to look for. That's the level that you want to look for. I just want to mention as well, the total market cap behaves perfectly. This is exactly what we need. It's building up liquidity. It's going to be a massive dump, but mark my words. The reason is because you see there's a trend line here. You see this trend line? And this is what everybody will trade. They will trade off of the trend line. Ren most likely also trades off of the trend line. So when you see this, most likely is just building up liquidity, it will retrace to the OB here and reject viciously. This is what I'm planning on seeing here in New York Open. Maybe I'm wrong, but this is how I'm reading the chart. 𝗙𝗲𝗃 5, I guess it's 5-minute MSS, right? Let me look at 𝗙𝗲𝗃. So I shorted 𝗙𝗲𝗃. They have an unlock, 7 to 9% cliff unlock. Yeah, so it's oh, this one. Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I mean, technically you should worry about it because it has massive liquidity built up. But if the total falls, this falls harder. So yes, technically you're right. This is a market structure shift. It comes back 50. You should not short this. This is why I said that it's complete degen. You should not do it. But in general, if you look at what the total is doing, and if you look at the 4-hour market structure on 𝗙𝗲𝗃, and if you understand that there is a massive liquidity built up here, look at this massive liquidity built up here that could easily just push this lower, which would still be bullish, right? So I'm not concerned about this at all. I'm not concerned about this at all. Say, guys, I ask you one thing, please. I'm not joking. Like, this is very serious. We have 210 people watching. If we don't have at least 120 likes in the next 5 minutes, I'm genuinely ending the stream. Because I think, like, I'll give you here, I did 1 hour long show, I prepped 2 hours, and now I'm doing this literally just for you guys. The only thing I'm asking you is to smash this like. And if you don't smash the like, that means you don't enjoy this content, and that means I shouldn't do it. So please, please, please smash and obliterate like. I have to stop the stream if we don't get out, and I will stop the stream. Mark my word, don't test me on this. Don't test me on this. All right. So 𝗙𝗓, same thing. 𝗙𝗓 had a very, very beautiful dump down here into the 50, which is very, 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 very good. So you have a high here. You need to see at 44 cents. We need to see a break above, which is still substantial. Like you still need to see it. 10% push. I'm not happy about that. Let's look at it on the hourly. So you can also take the hourly example. Look, it came back here. This is liquidated. Technically, we can see it come back 50 here on this dump, and you could load up here. Yeah. So if we got the dump that I'm expecting, you could technically load up in this region. I'm actually gonna put this alert here because I think this is a great region. About 37 cents to load up there. You want to look for a market structure shift. Most likely comes back, liquidates, and then moves on. This is what I would be looking at. So how dare you? You see, we have 150 like this. It's just. You guys just need a reminder. It's simple. INJ. Yes, so 4 hour looks good. 4 hour looks good. I need to see a high break above here. INJ could also be a short, but I don't want to short INJ. I think it's too strong for me to short. But could be good. Like, probably there is a market. No. Yeah, should I short this as well? Such a beautiful retest. Look at this. This is literally, yeah, I'm gonna short this as well. Literally the beginning of the inefficiency. Look at this. It's literally the beginning of the inefficiency. Look. I'm gonna short INJ as well. Do not do this. I did not touch my main account. I'm doing this to overtake RAN in the competition. Do not short it. Do not short it, okay? Please, do not short this. It's stupid. It's complete gamble. The only reason why I'm doing it is because I want to overtake RAN in the competition. And I'm happy to, like, I'm okay to losing my profits. I made $8,000, $9,000 in this account in 2 weeks. I'm okay with losing that money if it means that I have a chance of overtaking RAN. So please, please, please do not follow these trades. We're waiting for a retrace, and in the retrace, we want to load up. That's what we're looking for. Yeah, so INJ generally looks bearish on this, but in reality, it's extremely bullish. So what I would be looking at adding is on the 50 of this leg down here, about $19-ish. This is actually a great, decent order block. So I'd be looking at adding here. Could be a reversal around 19.5. So between 19.5 and 19 is where I would be looking at adding. This is what I'm interested in doing. And then we have to see. Aptos, much love to Aptos. Shout out and much love to Aptos. They launched their stable, the USDT, on Aptos today. It's insane. It's insane. I told you to buy Aptos. I told you to buy Aptos at 6 something. Down here. No, where? Down here. Literally down here. I was calling it on the show. I was telling you to buy Aptos. I talked to the team in Singapore. When did I go to Singapore? When was token? September 20th. I told you before, after I came back. So I told you about here, 6 something, here, around here, September 20th. I told you about here. About 50% on spot. Insane. It's a great project. Very good project. So what I'll be looking at is probably a rejection here as well. I would be looking at a 50 retrace. When that 50 retrace comes, maybe even takes it, I don't know, but maybe 50 retrace comes, I would be interested in getting around $9. A great buying opportunity. Always look for a market structure shift. This can actually go a little bit lower, depending on, again, what the election will bring. Crazy stuff. So I would be interested in getting up to $7. If we could get that, that would be very, very cool. I don't think we will, but that would be very, very cool. Me here, my man, my noodle eating buddy. We ate all this Chinese and Asian food. It was so good. It was, oh my God, so good. So good. 𝗙𝗲𝗃𝗃. 𝗙𝗲𝗃𝗃. Yeah, so here's what I'm looking for. Yeah, so it's actually good. It's establishing. What is it doing daily? The total is breaking now. We are up a bit. I'm upset. I'm up $800 on my 𝗙𝗍 short. Fuck, I think Ren closed. I think he covered. I think he covered his position, so he will stay here 61. I'm down to 54. Easy. Next update, I'm gonna be number 5. It's gonna be in 5 minutes. We're gonna track back here. I just need the total to drop now. It's kind of starting now. I need it to drop. I would not be surprised if we would get one more pump before New York Open, but I need it to drop. So DYDX came down very heavily, took all the liquidity, and then had a massive pump. The good stuff about them, they have this was news. I know they have some news coming out with DYDX, new leadership coming out. So I think it could be very good from the fundamentals perspective as well. And you see an internal structure forming. So you have like a low. You have the low, you have the high, you have the 50 retrace, you have the high. The problem is that it comes back onto this 4-hour OB. So I'm not bullish until I see a break above here, which would be currently sitting at 1.134. Until then, I'm not interested. There is liquidity down below here. I'm not interested. Until then. If it would come back here, like if we would see a retrace down to this region, down to the sub $1 region, I would look for a market structure shift on the 5-minute chart, and if that happens, I would be interested in taking it. So if we see something like this, I would take it as a trade, but otherwise, not really. Look. How about the likes? It's 171. Nitrobot in the house, taking care, everything is good, like a mother, like a good mother. She's just here, like Jupiter. Let's go, Hassan. Jupiter. Total is breaking slowly, too slow. Too slow. I want to see it. It's not good. It can pump anytime. It's too slow. It's too slow. I think we have one more push before New York Open. So now they trap the longs. The reason why I'm thinking is because I'm playing with serious money here. So like every 1% move, I'm losing about $1,000. So it's important that I don't want to get left behind on this competition thing. When it drops, this is liquidity. So when this gets taken, this thing is dropping down to like 19.8, right? At 19.8, let me see what would be on SUI. No, this is not even SUI. What is this? INJ. INJ 19.8. It's about $350, nothing. Let me look at SUI here. Yeah, very, very strong. I think it drops max to 1.9. Max, I don't see SUI lower. Just like a quick cash grab. Yes, 1.9 would be 5K, 5,000. That would be good. That would put me to 25 grand. That would put me. It would put me at, I think, third or second. That'd be good. It has to move, and it's like nothing. It's 3% move. I think that's doable. If the total market cap plays bull, I think it's doable. I'm already number 4. Crypto Banter number 5. There we go. I told you. Now I'm gonna send it to Ren. I'm gonna send it to him, and I'm gonna say ciao, because he pinged me in the group, and he was like. It's like, cheers, Fefe. Look, I'm gonna go, cheers, Ren. Ha! Ha! And we're live. We're live doing this. We're live. So the reason this is just, I'm gonna tell you what they're thinking behind these trades are, okay? So here's the thing. That when you are in a competition, I would never have done this with my money. Never. It's stupid. It's straight out stupid to do this. Really. You're going against a pumping market, trying to time it, trying to use your knowledge of liquidity and whatever, and trying to figure out what is... It didn't get back to me yet. I think it didn't see it. So, you know, trying to time the market is like, it's not good. It's completely stupid. But if you want to take an advantage and you want to outperform everyone, you have to think like the opposite. And this is what I've always been about. If you follow my content, you have to think otherwise. If everybody's long, and the only way you can compete in a competition is if you're able to pick the moments where everybody's doing the opposite that you can do and actually leverage that. I've been long. I closed my SUI position 5,000 profit. I closed my mock position at 2,000 profit dollars, and I lost 3,000 yesterday on those shorts. So that's why it came up. So the only way to take advantage is if I actually am able to get a point where everybody else is long in and I can go short. That's literally the only way. But it's stupid. It's very stupid. I can get blown out anytime. So do not do this. Do not do this. Okay.
How long on Sui? I'm long on my main account. What is about gaming? I don't know what it is. Pandal short. Fefe, you're awesome. Just awesome. Christopher, I'm happy. Thank you. You're the man, Fefe. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you. What is about gaming? I don't know what that is. How long? Yeah, Ren always second. Fefe plays for real. Look, honestly, I know it sounds bad, and I know like $8,000 is a lot of money. I'm blowing this account if I have to. Like, I'm telling you, I'm not gonna let Ren be like, it's a zero hero play. Like, for me, it's like personal. Up already. Astrology, yes. Soul could be. Yeah, it's already coming back though. Congrats, Fefe. Bro, thoughts on Pepe. Let's go. Let's go further. Also, I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten anything today. Let me just eat a little bit here. This is the 100x Club. Oh my God. Pepper is strong. Pepper is strong. Coming into this will be though. No close above. You see, this is the difference. This is why it's not a smart idea to short this. You need to see a close above. There was no close above on the 5 minute. Look at it. This is all calculated. All calculated. So the fact that it did not close above, it didn't trigger any algos, and that means that this is still a low. So you cannot, if this would have closed above, you could have counted it as a market structure shift, and then, but it didn't. So this is not, it will come back, most likely bounce. Most likely will bounce. One, yeah. I mean, if it comes back here and shows a market structure shift down here at about these all the zeros and a 91, goodbye. Goodbye. Incredible buy. We need to see that. Also, guys, I wanted to tell you about VX. I didn't tell you about it on Banter because we didn't have time. But this is Jet. What is this? 𝗙𝗍. We're shorting 𝗙𝗍 as well. Look at this. I'm actually going to take the short here. So this is VX. The reason why VX is cool is because you have zero maker fees as $0. That means I'm going to take this trade now. I'm actually taking this trade now. You know what? Should we be complete degen 25x leverage? Let's do it. This is going to break here. I go limit order. I look at 3, 9. Let's do 39.42. Cost in USDT. Like this. Open short. This cost me. Oh no! Hold on. I will pull a little bit lower. This cost me $0 to open this position. Zero. Nishta. None. Zero. It cost me no money to open this position, and the reason is because VX offers you a $0 maker, 0% maker fee. That means if you use limit orders, it doesn't cost you anything. Look, I don't have unrealized PNL. It doesn't cost me anything. It doesn't cost me anything. Okay. No, I see that I do have 7% realized, but because I'm still on the old account, I didn't sign up using my link. That's the problem here. Holy shit! Now I'm down $7. VX, we got a problem here. We gotta talk. I have to use my own account. VX, I'm gonna sign up here. This is non-KYC as well, so I can just simply sign up and open a new account. And have all these rewards that I claimed. Okay, anyway, try it at VX. It's really, really good. Really good. And it's non-KYC. Okay, so we're taking liquidity. We're taking the 15-minute. We're taking the 15-minute low. Holy shit. We're taking the 15-minute market structure shift here, guys. This requires me some normal music here. Now shit is getting real, bruv. Shit is getting real. We've got 48 seconds to the 15-minute close, ladies and gentlemen. If that closes, Sui up 400, STX up 400, INJ 80, TIA 70, MOG 240. Dump it. Dump it. No, don't go back. 23 seconds. Don't go back. If it goes back, I have to close. If it goes back above and it is not able to close below here, I have to close it. Number 5. Ren is full blown. 100x. Oh my God. We should have a face off. That's what I should do. Tomorrow, Ren show. We should have a face-off. We should trade live on his show and just decide it for once and for all. This is what we should do. Okay, what happened here? Nice. Close it up. Look at this. Look at what's going to happen now. Algorithm's going to kick up. it will send a little bit higher up here to the 2.35 trillion, and then it's game over. Look, or maybe it traps here and then goes. This is most likely we're going down. Like the probability of us going down is very, very high now. I'm very happy about this. We have a 15-minute market structure shift. It's great. You're very welcome, my friend. I always tell you not to take these. Not to take these. Have you taken profit? No, profit. What is no? No, I haven't. I'm here to overtake Ren. I'm not here to take profits. Ren is an invest, but he's doing fantastic. Like, I don't see anybody up here, honestly. Like, if you look at the leaderboard, like, I see Ren and me. Let's look at second page. I don't see anybody here as well. 𝗪𝗫𝗁. Yes, yes, Joe. I see Joe here. That's good. Where are all the other people? Where's everybody else? Top 50, I see no one. Lord of Andrew down here at number 77. I don't see him. I don't see anybody else. Sheldon down 109. Yeah. Sucks. Let's go. Refresh. Ah! Run. Run, run, run. So Ren is saying, bro, you only have 100% profit, and he has 200% profit. It's like 100% that stock returns. But he's going live soon. I have to cut the stream. All right, anyway. So we have this. Anyway, face off tomorrow on your stream. Face off tomorrow on your stream. All right, cool. So, guys, let's do a couple of more. Let's do 3 more tokens. Friend is position 48 or something like that. Friend, can I find you like this? 48. Let me look. You're before Sheldon, that means. 48. Humble Trader, number 6. I don't know, maybe. All right, Ordy, please. Let's go. I'm going to do 2 more, and then we're going to cut the stream here. Ren just wrote me, you will be liquidated by them. All right, let's go. Ordy. Order looks good. Broke above this level. Very, 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 very good. If it comes back 50 here, I'm long. Yeah, massive liquidity. It takes it's beautiful. This is a very, very, very good level. Very good level. Market structure shift. You can long. Rune we did. Possible to copy trade. No. No. Let's do drift. And this is the last one. Beautiful. Look at it's incredible. Incredible. Drift, fantastic. Lower time frame looks gorgeous. Daily. Oh my god, this is cause take note here. This is our entry. This is beautiful. I'm actually gonna take this on my main account. I'm actually gonna start layering into this on my main account. This is beautiful. Drift is beautiful. It's going to fly. It's going to fly. 3 to 5x leverage position. I'm gonna start layering in here. Oh, insane. This is very, very good looking. Very good. Next target 65 cents. Next target 65 cents. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you appreciate this content, I'd like you to smash the like button. We will do this more often. I can't promise you every day, but we are going to try to do every day. We're going to do some giveaways and much more. We can do one giveaway. Come on. Send in your wallet ID. Solana wallet address. I'm going to get some food here until then. Out of this plastic box, bro. First person to post their wallet address gets $50. This is how we roll. I'm getting ready. Shibo, Brian. Got $50. Can you send me the wallet ID, please? French is saying me. Bruv, that doesn't count. Oh, hold on. That was not the live chat. Hold on. No, it was. It wasn't. And he's a moderator, so that's why he got onto the top chat. Hold on. That's not fair. That's not fair. Can it be Hassan? Okay, let's do it again. You know what? But Brian gets $50. Why not? Can you send me the ID? Oh, Brian, amazing. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. I'm gonna send you $50. I'm gonna send it now. Just keep the addresses coming. Keep the addresses coming. 10,000 𝗙𝗲𝗂𝗧 token. Coming to your way, sir. Bam. Okay, I'm gonna pick one more for $50. Let's do it. I like doing this. This is so good. Just literally just helping people. 3, 2, 1, fire. Bam. 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗘. 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗘. Your wallet ID is ZHT is the end. 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗘. Here we go. Copy text. You won $50 as well. I'm gonna send it to you right now. Here we go. It's a good. I thought it was not a good address, but it's good. What's the vote on this? Did you miss these shows?
88% said yes.
88% said yes.
241 votes.
The fact that we have 264 people live and 241 voted yes, it's 240 voted is nice. All right, guys, dude, missed you. 𝗙𝗏𝗃, you have no idea. Thank you so much, guys. Truly appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this content, please make sure to subscribe by clicking here. Make sure to check out these videos. They're pretty cool. They're extremely awesome. I've done both of them, so I'm humbled and I'm awesome at creating videos. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I believe I'll see you in the next one. Take care.